we are learning about the formation of polythene. So as I have said, the reaction goes in 3 steps. The first step is chain initiation step. Okay, so in the first step, what happens is that first of all you need a initiator molecule. There is a molecule known as a initiator molecule. This molecule is actually not a part of the compound. It just boosts the process. So in the case, this is a phenyl free radical. What you have to do, you have to form a phenyl free radical. Why? This radical is actually a initiator molecule, and this initiator molecule initiates the process. So how to form this? This is formed using of benzoyl and it looks like this: C6H5 COOO peroxide is like this. Then in this compound, what you have to do is this compound breaks into 2 halves. So you have to break this bond, you have to heat it. So what happens, it forms 2 molecules of C6H5 COOO dot. Now this compound is a benzoyl free radical. After this, you have to again heat the reaction, and what happens is that you get the final thing. Okay, so now finally you have a phenyl free radical. So in a lab, first of all you have to start from here, and in the end you have to form a phenyl free radical to be used as a step initiator molecule. Okay, then after this, the second thing happens. This phenyl free radical C6H5 dot goes on to react with ethene, that is CH2 double bond CH2. This radical attacks on this atom and ultimately it forms C6H5 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 free radical. Okay, so what happens is that you just formed a new and a free radical. So you just increase the length of the chain. Now after this, what you have to do is the step 2. Now comes the step 2. The step 2 is the chain propagation reaction, propagation step. So as I had said that in this step, what you do is you have to continue the reaction. So again take this molecule and again react it with one more molecule of ethene. So let's see what will happen. CH2 dot, this reacts again with the ethene molecule. Finally it will form what? This will again react with this to form a new and huge molecule of a free radical looking like C6H5 CH2 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 dot. Cool. Now this you have to just again and again you have to do it. So in the end what will happen is that if you add n molecules of ethene, they will add to this compound n times, and in the end you will have something like this, n. Cool. Now ultimately you have to end the reaction, you have to stop the reaction somehow. So how to do that? So the third one is a step 3, which is the chain termination step. And as I said, you have to end the reaction. Now for ending the reaction, there are two types. Let's see them one after the other. The two types. The first type is called as the by the combination of radicals. So suppose in the first over here we formed this bigger free radical. Now the first type is that you have to take a similar one more molecule and just add them to each other so that their free radical forms a bond. So what I am saying is that if you just suppose I name this compound as M, a small m. So the small m reacts with one more small m to form what? It will form C6H5 CH2 N CH2 then again CH2, you have to add one more m to it. So that's the end of the first one. Then CH2 N and then C6H5. Okay, so that's the first way to end the reaction. Just add the two free radical, and this whole compound just I formed, this whole compound is known as polythene. Okay. Now the second type of the way to end the reaction is by the disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation of your free radical. Now let's see how it happens. So in the first reaction over here we formed M, and the M looked like this, C6H5 CH2 N CH2 dot. Okay, so you have to take two of these molecules and you have to so what happens is that suppose I will take one more molecule. Okay, so now after this what you have to do is that from here, from the second carbon or from the alpha carbon, you have to remove one hydrogen. Just remove one hydrogen, so it will form a dot, and just add the hydrogen over here, so it will form CH3, and just add these two dots with a double bond. So hence it's a way again to form the compound. Okay, so until now we saw that if you have to the reaction, the addition reaction goes by free radical mechanism. So how it happens is it happens in 3 steps, one after the other. The first one is the start, the second one is to make the reaction go forward, and the third is to end the reaction. So it is chain initiation reaction, chain propagation initiation, and the third one is end or the termination reaction. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at needbook.in.